Okay, I'm going to lower the set point on the CO2 to 400 so that it starts up. So that starts up the fan on low. Now I'm going to simulate, I'm going to raise the temperature here, because assuming the CO2 is exhausting too much air and the room is getting cold, so I'll up this temperature. And then the heat kicks in, okay? So now we'll simulate, I'm going to bring the set point down so that the fan will have to cool. Now everything's on a 1 minute delay, so the heater will stay running for a moment while I do this. But so we should get 13. So at 12, then it ramps up the fan to stage 2. At 11, it's stage 3. At 10, it's stage 4. This is working perfectly.